Welcome to this video in which we will learn how to program the Arduino in such a way that we can control the blinking of this LED on breadboard, and also we can change the duration of blinking as well. So let's begin. Here in our white setup we have to declare an output pin. Okay, so for that we have to write here pin mode. Make sure to write M capital. Okay, then insert parenthesis and insert a semicolon at the end. I am declaring here pin 3 as output. You can declare any other pin, okay? But in this case, I'm declaring pin number 3. And in this white loop, we have to set the sequence of turning on and turning off. For that, we have to write here digital write and pin number 3 as high. 3 comma high. Okay, make sure to write high in all capital letters. Okay, so this will turn on the pin number 3 as high, and then we have to insert a delay of 1 second, but here I am writing 1000 because this is milliseconds in Arduino. Okay, so 1000 milliseconds is equal to 1 second, and then I am going to turn the LED off. For that I am writing here digital write 3 comma low, and then insert a delay of 1000 milliseconds, that is approximately 1 minute 1 second. Okay, so this code will turn the LED on and off for 1 second, and then I have to save this here, and then I will press this thing. But before that I have to connect the Arduino. So now connect this Arduino with the laptop like this. Okay, and we would require some elements, so put it on side, and we need a breadboard. This is a breadboard. Okay, and this is an LED, of course, you know that this is an LED, so let's insert this LED like this here. And we would require a resistor. This is a resistor. We need a resistor to limit the amount of current so that our LED do not just burn out. So that's how, let me show you how I connect it. This is the bigger leg of the LED that is connected with the resistor. Okay, and we have declared pin number 3. Let me put it on the side. Yeah, so we have declared pin number 3 as our output pin, so we would connect. We would require this male to male wire. Let me show you. This is a male to male wire. We would connect this pin number 3. This is the pin number 3. Okay, this is the pin number 3 of the Arduino. We need to connect it with the resistor, this one. Okay, right here. So now pin number 3 is connected with this resistor. This resistor is connected with the positive terminal of the LED, and the LED's negative terminal should be connected to the ground. So this is the negative terminal, and it should be connected with the ground pin of the Arduino. Where is the ground? Here. All right. So this is connected with the ground. LED's smaller pin is connected with the ground of the Arduino. All right. So here we have our code. So if we have to upload it, so click on this button, this. Okay. We have to click on this button, and it will do some compiling here, some uploading, and yeah, it's done uploading. And here you can see that our LED is blinking after 1 second. Turn on 1 second, turn off. Okay, so this sequence is going, turning on for 1 second, turning off for 1 second. So that's how it can blink. But what if I want to change it to some lower time? What if I want to change it? So if I just remove it to 100, if I insert a delay of 100, all right, so this is 100 and this is 1000. So if I just upload it again, and what is going to happen? And here you can see All right. So this is turning on for a very short interval of time. It's actually 100 milliseconds, and it's turning off for 1 second. So that's how you can control. If I can change this delay to some 100 and then uploading this on. All right, so let's see what happens. Yeah, now this is blinking like this: 100 milliseconds on time and 100 milliseconds off time. So you can change it according to your need. So that's how we can blink the LED by using the breadboard and Arduino. Thanks for watching.